how to make a video with gallery photos, image and video. So what we'll do is we'll open our TikTok, and then after opening our TikTok, we will simply click on the plus sign right there, and we'll click on upload, and where we can see all our photos and videos there. So we'll simply first I will show you from making a video here by using a video. So here I am using a simple video here. So as you can see, it is loaded, and here if we click on next and if we edit, and we can add music here, and after adding the music our video will be ready to be posted. So we can click on next, and then our video will be ready to be posted. So I will show you the same way to do it for picture videos. I mean how we can create videos using pictures. So here I am selecting some pictures over here. As you can see here, after selecting some pictures, we will be able to create a video out of it. So we can simply click on next now, and then we can add any music over here, and after adding some music, we can click on next, and then yeah, here we can post it. And yeah, that is how to make a TikTok video with gallery photos and images and videos.